In today's show, XRP ready to swell 220% in the next 3 weeks as Ripple event nears. We're going to be taking a look at some statistics from this event in 2017 and 2018. And according to Galaxy BTC, he tweeted, "The trade of the year is coming once again on XRP. Long 2 weeks before swell and short when the event is over." The price increased before the event in USD. In 2017, it went up 115%. And in 2018, it went up 220%. Then the price decreased in USD after the event. In 2017, went down 43%, and in 2018, went down 51%. So in today's show, we're going to be discussing what may happen to the XRP price this year before and after the event, because it's right around the corner. Also in today's show, we'll be discussing Bitcoin's next big move. We'll be taking a look at crypto analyst Nick Cody, who's predicting an upside of 9,000 to 9,300 and a downside of 7,400 to 7,700. We'll be dissecting the Bitcoin price action and so much more in today's episode. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. Be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And to celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free just for helping support the show. For full details, click the link right below this video in the description. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and we're going to be discussing a lot of bullish news for Ripple XRP, in particular, this big swell event right around the corner, because last year we saw a 220% increase on the lead up to this event. So this may be another big XRP pump right around the corner. Let's get right into it. XRP is seeing a lot of greens in October after dropping down to 23 cents at the end of September. In the past week, the third largest crypto surged a good 9%. And taking a look at the XRP price right now, it's up 3.21% for the day, trading at just under 29 cents. But it also can't be ignored that the cryptocurrency is still down over 22% year to date and 92.72% from its all-time high of $3.40. Some of these price gaps, however, are likely to be filled in the next few weeks in anticipation of the upcoming Swell event. Swell event 2019, hosted by Ripple. Swell brings experts from the field of financial services, payments, technology, and policy together to share what's unfolding in global payments today and why it matters. The Swell event has been launched to compete with its rival Swift. The organizer of the Sibos conference will be held this time from November 7th to November 8th in Singapore. The keynote speakers of the event involve Kamal Qadir, CEO of Bcash, a mobile money service in Bangladesh, Ambassador Chan Heng-chi, Ambassador at Large within Singapore Foreign Ministry, and Dr. Rahul Rajan, former Governor of the Reserve Bank of India and the former Chief Economist at the IMF. Last time, Ripple announced that XRapid is finally commercially available and will be going into production with 3 financial institutions. It would be interesting to see what will the company unveil this time. If we take a look at the price of the digital asset, this is an extremely good time for XRP. Before the Swell event in 2017, XRP shot up 115%, and the next year, a much bigger spike of 220% was seen in its price, notes analyst Galaxy. I shared his tweet a little earlier, and based on these historical gains, XRP can jump anywhere between 30 to 60 cents. However, once the event is over, XRP price losses as much as half of its value. The digital asset saw a drop of 42% and 51% in 2017 and 2018 respectively after the event. As such, the strategy for this trade of the year by the analysts is to long 2 weeks before swell and short when the event is over. Taking a look at this tweet from Galaxy BTC, we also shared this in the intro of the show. It says the trade of the year is coming once again on XRP, long 2 weeks before swell and short when the event is over. The price increased before the event in 2017, 115%, and in 2018 it went up 220%, and the price decreased after the event in 2017, went down 43%, and in 2018 it went down 51%. What are your thoughts on what will happen this year round? Let me know in the comments right down below. And to counter that, another popular trading analyst of crypto assets, Big Sheds, had this to share over on crypto Twitter. XRP USD Ripple approaching short-term downtrend line resistance on daily chart, however, still unable to establish a higher low. And I'll be sure to include this graph and resource in the show notes right down below this video in the description. Anyways, back to the event. Given the size of the Ripple company alone, who is the 5th biggest blockchain-based firm in the world behind Binance, Coinbase, Consensus, and OKEX, it will likely be a big XRP army affair for the ages. And taking a look at this tweet, we can actually see the 10 largest crypto companies by number of employees. You got Binance leading the way with 1,635 employees, Coinbase at 1,195, Consensus 868, OKEX 548, and then you got Ripple with 508 employees, then Bitmain with 475, Huobi 453, Circle 350, Tron 250, and Bitfinex with 220 employees. And for other bullish XRP news, there was also a recent announcement of the merger of Ripple products into RippleNet, that being XRapid, XVia, and XCurrent. Also, SendPay now runs on Ripple, which aims to replace high bank charges, where you can send 2,000 euros back home or anywhere around the world and pay no transfer fees. We also talked about the week Ripple had in another post, and I'll be sure to include all of these resources of what's going on inside the Ripple/XRP community. This person on crypto Twitter shared, if XRP does not hit 75 cents by the end of October, this account will be forever deleted. You'll never see a tweet from XRP news again. XRP is the standard, so you can see people are going pretty bullish here on XRP, and it's pretty exciting times because there's a lot of actually bullish news, and all of these resources I've included in the show notes below this video in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. And if you miss Brad Garlinghouse interview with Mr. Pompliano on his podcast, that was pretty phenomenal. There was a 90-minute exclusive interview, and we did an episode on that just a couple days ago, so be sure to check that out in case you missed it. Now let's discuss Bitcoin's next big move ahead. Bitcoin fails to break resistance since its very brief pump to 8,700 on Friday. Bitcoin fell back to support at just above 8,300 and remained there for the duration of the weekend. Very little has happened to the prices until late Sunday trading in the US session, where they were pushed above $8,400 for just a couple hours. This too did not last, with Bitcoin returning sharply to support again, signaling a lack of buyers to take the asset higher. At this time, Bitcoin has fallen below the weekend support levels and is trading at around $8,280, just below its weekend support zone, according to TradingView.com, as you can see in the graph here on the screen. A death cross appears inbound on the daily chart, and this could be as soon as next weekend if the consolidation continues. The last time the 50-day moving average dropped below the 200-day MA was in March 2018, and a year-long bear market followed. Long-term trader analyst Nick Cody has eyed what he described an easy setup forming for Bitcoin. Taking a look at his tweet over on crypto Twitter, he tweeted, easy setup forming on Bitcoin, daily inside bar pattern, upside equals 9,000 to 9,300. Throwback level, and the downside equals 7,450 to 7,700 weekly support block. A good 9% move on each side of the break. The previous two inside bar setups I shared yielded 25% and 5% spot price movements, and I included this resource as well below this video. Analysts were in two minds over the weekend as to Bitcoin's next move, which has yet to make by Monday morning. Traders appear to be waiting for confirmation before entering or exiting their positions. A break of support is likely to lead to another plunge to the high 7,000s, and a break of that could get very messy very quickly. And what about the altcoins? Well, let's take a look here over at Coin 360. And as you can see, Bitcoin is in the red, currently trading at 8,285, down 1.63% for the day. Ethereum, the largest altcoin, is down 0.25%, trading at $183.29. XRP is in the green, up 3.71%, trading at just below 29 cents. Miss Litecoin is in the red, trading at just below 1% for the day, which is $56.74. EOS is in the green, up 0.57%, trading at $3.13. BNB coin is in the green, up 0.71%, trading at $18.18. So the overall sentiment of the market is definitely bearish right now, with just a few alts in the green. And the current crypto market cap is just under 225 billion, with 52 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current Bitcoin dominance, according to CoinMarketCap, is 66.4%. Taking a look at the biggest gainers for the day, EDU Care is up 15.8%, trading at 16 cents. Ox is up 12.9%, trading at 30 cents. Ren is up 6.8%, trading at 6.5 cents. Stratus is up 5.77%, trading at 36 cents. And Nash Exchange is up 4.99%, trading at $1.22. And taking a look at the biggest losers for the day, Bitcoin took a massive dump of about 21.8%, now trading at 0.000356. Made Safe Coin down 11.4%, trading at 13 cents. Rift token down 10%, trading at just above 9 cents. And Sia Coin down 6.16%, trading at 0.002. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you journeying with me through this crypto wormhole. If you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And before I go, I want to give a special thanks to our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world. To celebrate the launch of our podcast, they're giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free, just for helping support the show. For full details and to claim your free cryptocurrency, be sure to click the link right below this video in the description. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Deuces.